How's it look this evening, Mr. Spock?
Judging by the red shirts, fine. I'm personally having a Vulcan delicacy.
Bones, check and see if he's still alive every once in a while.
Looks fine. Yeah, Jim. How can anyone eat that when Wiley Cafeteria makes food like this?
This is made by Wiley Food Cafeteria, Doctor.
I'll tell you, real joy is Klingon sauce.
That's great.
These carbonated beverages made by Earth. Really unusual, Captain.
Yes, I believe if my history's right, they date back to the late 20th century.
Is that my imagination, or is this glucose actually in there? Doctor?
It's glucose.